All right, it's about noon here, which means it's perfect time for a hazelnut espresso secret recipe using the new. I'm calling this a Frappe Bird because I couldn't come up with a good name. It's basically a Frappuccino using Hazelnut Espresso Martini, and it's fire. So just some ice here. I start with a little bit because I don't want to overdo it, and then I'll add more if I need to. So ice, coconut milk, or any other, if you want to use regular milk, or almond milk, or I have been testing and I'm waiting on more to come. It's called shroom milk, and it uses like, I think, cordyceps and different shrooms, not the psychedelic kind. 1 scoop of Hazelnut Espresso Martini, and that's it. Very simple. It's gonna create a Frappuccino-like drink, but morning cocktail ingredients, Frappe Bird. I definitely need more ice. Yep, we're gonna need more ice here, so let's grab some of that. So it's more of a Frappuccino texture. So still playing with the amounts. I think that looks about right. It's about 10 or 12 ice cubes. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Frappuccino-like feel. We got a nice glass here. Oh! That's all right, look at that. All right, get the straw in there. Try this, come here. Here, let me get you a new straw, You get the green one. Kind of still one. Let's go. So that's a Frappe Bird. All you need is like 10-12 scoops, or 10-12 ice cubes, scoop of Hazelnut Espresso Martini, and coconut milk, or shroom milk, or almond milk, or whatever milk that you want. All right, that's it. Peace, Frappe Bird.